Hello, welcome to Cooking with Grandma. Được xong rồi nói.
Nên là từ nay nấu phở.
Yeah.
Nó quay cái mặt của ông ngoại ra.
Dạ.
Học nấu phở.
Học nấu phở.
Đập nó ra. Để hồi để chung với gừng. Sườn bỏ vô. Muối, sáp, xếp gì đó. Gốc sugar hả?
Rock sugar.
Rồi. Sôi hết bọt mới bỏ cái này vô. Rồi bỏ cái này vô. Cái này củ cải trắng. Trắng bỏ vô. Ăn nhanh. Nấu cho nào mềm mà tắt lửa. Đó, để là xong. Vớt cái này ra ha. Vớt ra nha. Vớt ra để đây. Rồi nêm nước mắm vô. Cái này kêu cái gì nè?
Fish sauce.
Fish soup hả? Nè. Nêm. Quay nằm mềm. Lấy thịt bò với giò viên để đây đi con. Ở ngoài bưng lại đây. Hành ngò bỏ vô đi. Yeah. Bỏ hành ngò vô đi con. Nhiều vô cho nó thấy màu đẹp. Rồi cái mì vậy nè. Vô. Ăn phở phải có cái này cũng ngon nè. Hết vô. Yummy.
It is time to eat what my grandma made, and I'm very excited because I love her cooking and I love it when she makes phở.
Yes, so this is our first mukbang together with Grandma. It's a very interesting experience.
We're both wearing pink today. Yum.
Con ăn mấy cái giá thử rồi.
Yeah. She always tells me to eat bean sprouts.
Muốn ăn chín này
But I
thì
never
nấu
liked
ra.
it.
Your grandma's a pro at cooking.
Dạ.
No.
Pho is not the only dish she can make. She can make a whole variety, and they're all very good, if not better than this one. Plus, we got to watch and film all the food get made, and now we get to eat it. It's twice as tasty.
Hết rồi. Lấy cùng khác. Chưa.
Sao?
Lấy
But I
hết
like
tissue.
tissue.
Ủa, mới mà đâu vậy?
Mới kêu dở ra.
Oh, bên đó, bên đó. Thanks, Granny.
Mới ra vô ăn ngon lắm bỏ không?
Dạ không. So, ngoại nói sao ngoại biết nấu phở? Ngoại học ở đâu?
Học bạn bè dạy.
Ồ, bao lâu rồi? Ngoại biết nấu bao lâu rồi?
Cả chục năm rồi.
It's been many years.
What I love about your grandma's pho is that she puts these huge pieces of meat in there as well. So soft, meat just slides off the bone.
Ngoại thích nấu cái gì? Như cái đồ ăn mà ngoại thích nấu nhất là cái gì?
Ăn đủ thứ món ai biết.
Wow.
Không biết con nào biết
She
đâu.
likes to cook everything.
I love this. This is the first time we've ever done it. It's a bit strange. I can tell you're not 100% comfortable, but a very fun time. This is what it's like. They're
mean,
usually a
like-
lot louder though, and they'll converse more, but for some reason they're not saying
Like, I
anything.
always eat with my grandma, but it's just weird that it's on camera. So, ngoại có thích quay phim không? She said that people will laugh at her when they watch it.
Pho is such a simple dish to make. It's really just rice noodles, the broth and meat, and the broth is so important. You saw her cook it overnight, very delicious. All that meat's just coming through that soup. Very easy, very simple. You can make this at home.
Bò cho diêm. Bò.
So this one is a beef ball. She's all my phở mềm hả phở?
Dạ mềm. Trong cọng này.
So there's the soft noodles or the harder ones, and I like to eat the harder ones, and they're eating the soft noodles.
What are your top 3 favorite things your grandma makes?
So my grandma can make bún bò Huế, which is BB Hank.
Yep.
Yeah, ngoại làm bún bò Huế ngon hơn. Bún riêu and bò kho.
Bánh xèo.
Bánh xèo. And wonton noodle soup. Wonton.
Rice paper wraps are really good.
Cuốn.
Hỏi cô.
Gỏi cuốn.
The fish is good. That's my favorite thing, the fish. The cá.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's ending already.
So, where did you get inspo from to film this?
Nấu thêm cho nữa không?
Oh, yeah, đủ rồi mà. Cảm ơn. I just thought your grandma is an amazing cook, and the only people that get to experience it are your family. And that's not fair because her cooking should be spread to the world. It's that good. If she opened a restaurant, I would be the biggest fan, come every day. It's amazing Vietnamese food. Home cooking is always the best, but your grandma's on a whole nother level. And I just wanted to show it. And this is not the only dish I want to show. I want to show a whole bunch more.
Sao ngoại hồi mà ngoại trẻ không mở nhà hàng? No.
Tại do mà đau.
She said it's too. Her legs hurt too much to open a restaurant, and it's hard work.
That's right. People can eat through the screen.
Yummy. Ngoại làm yummy. Yummy. I'm very happy. I am in my element.
Next time, we have to do BBH.
Next time ngoại làm bún bò Huế. Yeah, ngoại cho người ta coi ngoại làm bún bò Huế.
That's going to be incredible. Best BBH we've ever had. Give me a spoon, please, chat.
Oh, you didn't have a spoon?
No, I forgot.
Cho nó.
How do you reckon you'll describe your grandma's pho flavors? I feel like it's less on the sweet side. A lot of restaurants that are open close to us, it's all mainly really sweet, I think.
Quay lên mình cái cho uống hả?
Hả?
Mày biết bưng cái tô lên luôn.
This one's.
She's like, we're filming. Why am I drinking from the bowl?
Oh, yeah. I love how people are like walking. You have so many people at your house. That's why. There's just people like walking. What's your grandma's favorite dish to eat? What does she love eating the most?
Ngoại thích ăn gì? Đồ ăn cũng như đồ ăn ngoại thích nhất là gì? Đồ ngoại thích ăn gì?
Không thích cái gì đâu.
Giống như của con á là bún bò ấy. Con của ngoại là gì?
Mà cái nào mà không ăn hết ra không có thích. Cái nào không ăn được thì cũng ngon
Mà
hết.
không có một cái là ngoại thích nhất.
Không.
Oh, she likes all of it.
Damn. Does she like McDonald's? The list.
Mua thịt đồ có mắc tiền không?
Không. Mua thịt chừng 10 đồng, mua nồi súp đó chừng 15 đồng.
Oh, so
Damn.
very
Nhiều
cheap
lắm là 20.
to
nồi súp
feed
đó
your
chừng 20.
Mm. That's a big pot that will last for days.
Mua thịt cũng như mua thịt bò 16 đồng, giò viên. Rồi mua thịt kia chừng 20 mấy đồng.
I don't understand a lot of Vietnamese, so I just nod my head.
Ngoại nhảy con với John quay phim sao? Ngoại với con coi con với John ở trên TV không?
Coi lại.
She watches those all the time.
Vợ chồng thằng đám cưới mới coi.
Well, Grandma just randomly left, so it's just us two now. How close are you with your grandma? Super close?
It's really hard to communicate because sometimes my Vietnamese is really bad, so I can't say what I want to say. But I mean, like, we love each other a lot. And she always gives me kisses and I always give her hugs.
She shows her love through food and by feeding you all the time, because the amount of food, I mean, every week is a new cuisine at Dalena's household, and it's thanks to her grandma. And after eating here for like a couple of years, I'm like, you know what? This is better than most Vietnamese restaurants. We gotta film this and show the world and get yo drooling because it's that good. Thank you, Grandma, for making us. Oh wait, she's gone. Your grandma's really a free spirit, I reckon.
Oh, she went to get a drink.
She's savage, but very sweet and nice. But at the same time, will speak her mind. If she doesn't like something, she'll express it.
Yeah, sure.
And if she wants to leave, she will. And if she wants to come back, she'll be back with a sugarcane drink. Having her own solo mukbang with a sugarcane drink from the Asian market.
Ngoại uống gì kêu bằng tiếng
How's
Việt
it, Grandma?
gì?
Let us know.
Nước mía.
Nước mía? Sugarcane.
Sugar đó.
Sugar. I'm gonna finish all the soup, yeah? To show your full appreciation.
It's so
Like
delicious.
ramen. Are you going for a second bowl?
Mate, this is like a small serving for
Yeah, this is pretty small. We went diet mode for this episode. So good. So good. They just come
You
through
can
the
see my
hallway.
family come in there.
Yeah.
In the camera, I just realized.
Let us know what you thought of this video. It's a little different, but we thought we'd try something new. I really wanted to show Grandma's cooking to the world. The best cooking is from Mama's cooking. But where did Mama get it from? Grandma. So ultimately, Grandma's cooking is godlike. And we had to show it. Sugoi. You gone done, finished all of it. Fantastic.
Không nấu á thì không tính, tới bắt đầu qua làm ấy.
And tell them subscribe.
Okay.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah.
Ready? Thank you so much for joining us and eating with us. Definitely something new, but wanted to introduce you to my grandma, my lovely grandma.
Subscribe, yes. That's right, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye bye.
Bye. Take care, guys.
Nói thì không trúng nữa.
Đúng mà. Subscribe. Subscribe.
subscribe.
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.